What if you could practice for your FAA oral exam at home? What if you improve your knowledge at the same time? What if you got immediate expert feedback to articulate your answers better? Now you can. Introducing GLIME's Digital Pilot Examiner, Otto. Otto is a groundbreaking, first-of-its-kind examiner and your new AI-powered best friend. Nerves can ground even the most prepared pilots during the oral exam. With Otto, you can practice answering questions the same way you will when you're evaluated by an FAA-designated pilot examiner, out loud in real time.
What are the characteristics of unstable air?
There's turbulence in unstable air.
That's a good start. Turbulence is indeed a characteristic of unstable air. Can you think of any other characteristics?
And Otto understands both talk and text, so you can make progress anytime, anywhere you can access the internet. For over 40 years, pilots have trusted GLIME to pass their FAA knowledge test. Now, you can rely on the GLIME DPE to ace your oral exam. Be confident answering any question an examiner might throw at you while you're on the ground, so you can spend more time with your flight instructor in the air.